Oh, way to go. Royalty material. Pass to begin Daman Surya. And moving up on the further outside is Wilkowski. Royalty material, Wilkowski, Daman Surya, Silver Ridge, Supervise is racing MP from the outside and passing the half-mile post, Royalty material by half-lang, Wilkowski, Daman Surya, Silver Ridge, Supervise, and Wacky Diamond. And rounding the far turn, Royalty Material, Wilkowski, Silver Ridge is running by the Daman Surya. Supervise is joining them as they race the last 500. Royalty Material, Supervise is on the outside as they race the final corner. Royalty Material, Supervise is on the outside, and Silver Ridge down on the inside. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Royalty Material, Supervise is on the outside, moves up. Silver Ridge is running by the rail. Silver Ridge, Supervise, and finally it's going to be Supervise. Silver Ridge, Royalty Material, Daman Surya, and Wacky Diamond for your Fantafecta.
Okay, 8.